Welcome to AAA Trading tutorial video. Today we are going to show you how to log into MT5 for PC with your trading account. First, you need to download MT5. You'll want to download the MT5 trading terminal from the AAA Trading website or email. Click Download MetaTrader 5 and then run the downloaded launcher to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete. Once installed, MT5 will automatically run. Now you will need to log into MT5 with your trading account. Click File and select Open an account. Search Famous Worldwide Trading Limited and then select it. Then click Next. Select Connect with existing trade account and then enter your trading account's credentials. Under Login, put your MT5 account number. For password, enter your password, which is sent by SMS or email. Choose your trading account server from the drop-down menu. If your trading account is demo account, then your server is demo. If your trading account is live, then you need to choose live. Then we will guide you to find your account information. For your trading account's credentials, open AAA Trading, go to Me and click Setting. Then choose MT5. Here, the account number is for logging in. For password, you will receive by SMS or email. Last, click Finish to complete your login. In addition, it is important to note that at present, we only offer support for logging into MT5 on the PC platform. Thanks for watching. If you find this video valuable, we would appreciate it if you could support our channel by liking and subscribing. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next one.